Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa and today I'm going to show you how to make snow fluff. All you need is cornstarch, shaving cream, and food coloring. Let's get started. Be forewarned, this gets really messy. To start, you need a cup of cornstarch, now you need a cup of shaving cream. That's about a rough guess. Now you can add 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. And now you're going to start stirring. As you stir, the cornstarch will start mixing with the shaving cream and it will get a rough consistency of grated cheese. And it takes a bit of stirring to get there. But once you get the consistency of grated cheese, then you use your hands and you start squishing. This is the warning, it's very messy. And you're going to squish your concoction until it starts to harden into a ball. If your mixture is too crumbly, add more shaving cream. And if it's not sticking, use more cornstarch. And once you get it into a ball, you can decorate it any way you want. And it looks just like snow and acts just like snow. So you can make a snowman or have your own winter wonderland. Hope you had fun and I'll see you next time.